Hello, this is Mr. P with the Chapter 8A practice test. This is problem number 8, where we are asked to find the sum of the odd integers between 152 and 58. And this is basically the same thing as looking at the sequence from 59 to 151, looking at the odd numbers, and then taking the sum. So it'll be 59 plus 61 plus 63 all the way up to 151. Now this is an arithmetic sequence, so to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we can use our formula, n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n, or in other words, the number of terms you're summing divided by 2 times the times the sum of the first term and the last term. The first and last term are easy to see, it's 59 and 151, but not as easy to see how many terms we have. If these were counting off by ones, then we would simply take the difference to try to find the number of terms. And we're going to use that type of logic. We're going to take 151 minus 59, but we don't have all of the numbers. We have every other number because we're looking at just the odds. So we would divide that by 2, and then we would have to do a final adjustment of plus 1 because it begins and ends with an odd number. So that plus 1 would give us overall 47 terms is how we figure that out. Now, with 47 terms, we're finding the sum of those 47 terms. So it's 47 over 2 times 59 plus 151. And that comes out to 4,935, which is choice C. And there is another way to work this problem. I will show you a separate way to work it. And that's realizing that the general term for an odd number is 2n minus 1. So therefore, you should be able to realize that 59 is the 30th odd integer, because if you set up the equation 2n minus 1 equals 59 and solve for n, it would be 30. Likewise, 151 is the 76th odd integer. So therefore, if you were to set up the equation 2n minus 1 equals 151, you would get 76 for n. So with that, we can also attack the problem by looking at the sum as n goes from 30 to 76 of 2n minus 1. And if we evaluate this sum, again, we are going to get 4,935. You can even do it on your calculator using the sum of the sequence command, and your syntax would be the sum of the sequence of your general term as your index goes from the lower limit of 30 to the upper limit of 76. If you put the correct syntax in there, you should get 4,935, and we're done.